Welcome, and listen carefully to 5 of the most iconic Porsche sounds. Today, we're in the Weissach sound chamber. Number 5. Only 500 of the Carrera RS 2.7 were built originally, and it sounds like this. Just epic! This is just one reason for the high demand, which is why Porsche graciously reproduced 1,080 models, with the same roar, of course. Number 4. The 550 Spider went down in history as one of the last century's most iconic sports cars. The sound of the Spider is unmistakable. The all-aluminum engine came mated to a synchronized 4-speed manual transaxle that sent power to the rear wheels. It is pushing the limits, sound-wise too. Number 3. The 911 GT3 RS engine has a low center of gravity, predestined for motorsport. Number 2. The Nordschleife trembled under the sound of the 918 Spider. Its 4.6-liter V8 and the 2 electric motors on front and rear axle sound like a rocket launch, right? Number 1. Genuine Porsche sound in first place. When you look at the small, somewhat stiff double-disc ceramic clutch of the Carrera GT engine, its origin is blatant: the racing engine. Iconic sound belongs to Porsche like the racetrack.
Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.